Welcome to CheckBAC DRIVE, the first comprehensive alcohol monitoring platform designed for proactive responsibility. Here's how to get started. The system includes a smartphone-based user application, a Bluetooth handheld breathalyzer, and the installed vehicle control hardware called the Drive module. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the CheckBAC app. Install the app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and follow the on-screen prompts to log in and set up your profile. You should have received your username and 6-digit passcode via text message. You will take a picture for the facial recognition feature and press the Continue tab, and you are ready to connect your breathalyzer. Step 2. Connecting the handheld breathalyzer. Power up the handheld breathalyzer. The app should recognize and pair with it automatically. You'll know it's connected when the green power indicator turns blue. Step 3. Connecting the Drive module. The CheckBAC app is always searching for the Drive module. If detected, it will connect automatically. Before starting your vehicle, you must provide a breath sample using the paired Bluetooth handheld breathalyzer. Power up the handheld breathalyzer. Once connected, the indicator will display your model name. Select Start Test from the app. Hold your phone so your image is captured in the circle on the screen. When the breathalyzer beeps, provide a sample by blowing until you feel a click. Wait for the sample to be analyzed. Once you pass the test, select OK. You will have 3 minutes to start your vehicle. If you wait longer, you'll need to provide another sample. With CheckBAC DRIVE, alcohol monitoring is now more effective, easy, and affordable. Stay responsible and stay safe with CheckBAC DRIVE.